So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to register for auto deposit on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the top left and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page right here where it says account settings sort of in the middle, go ahead and select that. Then on the account settings page where it says auto deposit at the top, go ahead and select that. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can actually auto deposit or set up the email address that you want to register for auto deposit here. So anytime that someone transfers you money through there, it's going to auto deposit into your account via Interac e-transfer. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to register for auto deposit on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.